Okay, here's how I took a winning short position on NQ today. So, starting the day, no news, I wasn't fussed, so moving on. Starting with the 4 hour. When I was looking, I saw this 4 hour high get swept, inversing this 4 hour fair value gap, creating this one on the move down, which we then put in this low here, which had this low that hadn't been swept as well. As well as 50% equilibrium on the move down. So scaling down to the 1 hour, we've got 1 hour highs here, here, and here, as well as London highs, which is also 1 hour high. Asia lows. So looking at this, 1 hour had broken structure up to the upside, coming into the 4 hour fair value gap, hitting 4 hour equilibrium point. So I was looking for shorts, but because we was in an uptrend on both the 1 hour and the 4 hour, I wanted to see a 15-minute break of structure before finding any moves down. So scaling down to the 15 minutes, we've got London highs here. Market open, came up, swept London highs, put in this 15-minute SMT. As you see on ES, we came up and swept this high. Nasdaq, we stayed below. Swept these highs and then broke structure on the 15-minute to the downside, which is exactly what I was hoping for or wanting to see to take shorts today. So going down to the 5-minute. On the 5-minute, obviously we had the 15-minute breaker structure to the downside. That then led with us with the obviously a 5-minute breaker structure as well. This 5-minute fair value gap being created. We put in this low and then marked equilibrium for this move down. Came up, tapped 50%, went into the 5-minute fair value gap. So I was now looking for a 1-minute change in trend. We had a 1-minute breaker structure into the 5-minute fair value gap as well as the 50% retracement point. I wanted to see this inverse, but then when I saw, the candles were very wicky as such, there was a lot of wicks, not much movement in either direction, not much reaction. I then wanted to see a strong breaker structure to the downside. So obviously we didn't have it anywhere across here, already inversed it. And then when we saw this move down, is when then on a placement trade, that then created this 5-minute fair value gap as well, which I marked out, which we did actually respect. So yeah, I put my trade or placement trade on here. Originally I had my stops at this high here. I then moved it when we broke below this previous low to where I had it, this high. Yeah, so we broke below this 5-minute low, continued trend down, put my stop above here, and then was then targeting these lows down here, which gave us a 1-to-3 risk to reward ratio trade. So yeah, that was today's short position on Nasdaq. See you guys tomorrow.